welcome to my channel, Candy Perler Fairy. So today is gonna be a special video, not a tutorial. As you can see, I have a huge box here and it's super heavy. I just got my new order from Perler.com with their discount 30% off. So I'm gonna show you what I got in the package, and also they have some new color and I ordered some of them. So I want to show you how they look. Because I notice every single time, like when I need to place an order, I'm like, oh, what should I order? And I always miss something. So my tips is, if you know that you're missing some color, you ran out some color, add them in the cart in advance, so they're in your cart when you know, and sign up their account so that when they have the discount, your cart is ready to go. So I'm gonna show you some of like the color different that I ordered, so you can hopefully it's gonna be helpful to you when you're placing your order. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe by clicking the button and the bell, so you're gonna get notifications whenever I post new video and new tutorial. A lot of new tutorials gonna be coming up soon, so make sure you stay tuned. Alright, so let's get started today. Yay!
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos.
Yay, let's get started. Whew. So this time I got a big order. Let's see. Put this to the side and see what we got here. Alright, so this time I got two bats of the 6,000 beads. So this one is the light blue, as you can see. And then I also get the yellow bead. I found these actually cheaper with the 30% discount online than the store. So yeah, I did the math just to make sure I got a good deal. And then I got a lot of this one this time. As you can see, it's the pastel blue beads. It looks very like similar to the light blue, but they're actually different. So I'm gonna open in a little bit so you can see the color. So you can see I got a whole bunch of this one because what happened is when I built Sonic, I ran out of this beads, and then I tried to use like the light blue, but it didn't really match. So I got a bunch of these colors. And then chowder color, I noticed that I can't really get it from the store. So like most of the time, the one that I cannot find in the store, I'll get like 10 of them. So this is what I got this time. I got a lot of blue. Let me see. And then also light pink. I don't recall I can get it from the store, so I just get some of these as well. And then I also ran out this brown, the light brown. Yeah. And then to my favorite color, this is the marshmallow. I think you can get this one from Hobby Lobby, but since I'm doing the whole order, I just ordered some here as well. So let's put these aside and see what else I got. Ooh, I got these mini beads. I love the marshmallow because when I do Sailor Moon, I usually use this color than the sand color. I like this one much better for like the skin, for the face. Let me see. So I got a couple of the black mini, just to make sure I have it. I do have a lot. Oh, these I only ordered a little bit, just in case. Oh my god, I think I need more chowder, but that's okay. Let's see. Oh, I got more chowder. Look, I love that they put in these packages for me. Yep, looking nice. I got some white one as well, just in case I would run out. Yeah, the pink one. Alright, so I think I got these regular color. See, I got a lot of chowder color. And then this one. Okay, let's look at some new colors. So this one right here. Oh, this is not new, but this is the Diamond color, like the jeans. I I don't know what to do with this one yet, but it looks cute though. It looks really pretty. And then I think this is the new color, and I got 3 bags of this. This is the Diesel color. It's kind of like purple color, but a little bit shinier, and it's really pretty. So I think I'm gonna try to do something with this one. And then this is also looking like super light purple, and then it's called the Flossy Lilac color. So I'm gonna open it and see how it looks, because they do look like in the same category, a little bit shiny, and it's really pretty. So I want to see what it is. Alright, so let's take a look at these 2 new colors. So I feel like these 2 are like kind of like purple tone. So you can see the name of the new color. I'm gonna open them so you can see how it looks. Oh, I'm really bad at this. Yeah, actually they're really pretty, like really bright, and have like a kind of like a little shiny finish. So it's really pretty. I can't wait to work with these 2 colors. Alright, so these 2 are the colors that I want to show you that they're different. So as you can see, this is the petrol blue, and then this is the light blue. So I can't really tell like which one from the picture online. So this is the difference. So you can see this is this color, and then this one is this color. So when I build Sonic, I use this one, the petrol blue. This one is too dark for Sonic. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you this color right here. So I love using the storage bin, because when I use the bead, I can just take it out the entire tray and work on the project. Just use a paper clip. Yay, so that's the difference. So this is the chowder color. If you notice, it's very similar to orange, but it's lighter. So it's like the chowder cheese color. So this one, I'll use it to build Garfield. So if you're interested in building Garfield with me soon, make sure you have the chowder color ready. Yay! So earlier I mentioned it to you, like I prefer to use marshmallow for the face, for the skin color, than the sand color. So that's why I got a lot of the mini bead as well, because I prefer to use marshmallow. You can see like the difference is like this. So, and then also on my 2 Sailor Moon, you can see a difference. So this one is lighter color, and then this one is a little bit more yellowish. So it's really up to you, it's your preference to see which one you prefer, but personally I prefer this one for right now. And if you'll be building Sailor Moon with me anytime soon, make sure you have the yellow bead ready, because the hair part and the head part takes a lot of the yellow beads. And then also, if you're a fan of Pikachu, you want to have this bag ready as well. So here I have the yellow color. As you can see, I have a preference of using this pastel yellow as well because it's lighter. So sometimes it doesn't look that dark yellow. And you can see the difference here. Oh my god, it's too much for this. Hey, yay, it fits. So this is the difference of these two colors. So like in this project, the little bird, you can see I used these two different color of the yellow. So this is the darker, the regular yellow, and then this is the lighter yellow, the petrol yellow. And then also you can see I used chowder color here, so it's kind of like not too bright as orange. So I really like this bird. If you like this one too, stay tuned for the tutorial. So here's the red color, pink color that I always use. So this one is really bright red. And if I have to choose, and I would prefer to use the rose red instead because it's kind of like smoother. It's not too bright. So this is one of my favorite color to use. And then when it comes to pink, so there's 3 different colors that I will use. This one is the bubble gum, so it's a little bit darker and brighter. And then this is the cotton candy one. So it's more like, VV or like smooth. And then this one is the light pink, so it looks really, really light. So this is one of my favorite color as well. So I have a huge collection of the mini light pink color because they don't sell this on the website anymore, and then sometimes I could find it on Amazon for 85 cents. So when that happens, I order a lot because I love this light pink, and then they stopped selling it on the website. So stay tuned on my Instagram story so you will know when I find that these are on sale. And also the yellow color, sometimes they're on sale as well, so stay tuned if I find them on sale. So it looks like I have a huge order to organize now, so stay tuned. I finally got them organized. I'm so tired, but I can put them away now. So here are some of my mini Perler collection. This is how I store them. There's so many. I hope you enjoyed today's video and give me a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you!